This train is, the signal is a medium approach. It's right down there. Of course, you can't see it. This track has a medium approach signal, while the one track on the other side of him has an approach signal. So I guess there's another train coming. So that's cool. See the auto racks. See the vehicles inside there. That's a cool job too. I used to do it at Kia for a little while. Hear the train on the other side? See, the one on the other side has the green over red, which means approach. This one right here closest to me had the medium approach, which means medium approach at medium speed, and be prepared to stop at the next signal because the high priority train is on the other side. This one right here, right in front of me, is coming from Union City, Georgia, up around the Atlanta area. The one on the other side that had the approach that went by him, that's going by him now on the other side, he either came from Birmingham or Montgomery, most likely Birmingham. This is when you really wish you were on a bridge, because this one's slow. We're not going to get to see the other one unless this one hurries up and ends. At least you can see a little bit through the cars, the tanker car. kind of disappointing, but I was hoping that one would come later, but I had a feeling this was going to happen. But when you're dealing with trains, you're at their mercy of how their schedule runs. If this auto rack train at least has a DPU on it, that would be cool. DPU is distributed power unit. Like with CSX, if they run over, their trains are 10,000 feet or longer, they have an extra locomotive either in the middle or at the end. See how much faster that one's going on the opposite track on the other side? He got the green light because he has the high priority whatever he's shipping. That's why this one's running at medium speed and the other one's running at regular track speed. Seeing a lot of wood on that one, a lot of chemicals. Where this one here is just all cars so far, auto racks. By the way, those are two level cars. You have cars parked on the bottom, then you have cars parked on a level above it. And from what I've been told, this siding right here that this train is on, the other one's gone now. I think this siding is like over 9,000 feet, so around 9 miles, I believe. Yeah, that way you can fit a long train like this on this siding so that the high priority train can actually pass. By the way, this train here and the train that was on the other side that had the high priority, they'll both end up in Manchester in the CSX yard. You see some nice artwork. Some better than others. Dang, dude, you scared the crap out of me. Check this out. This one had a medium approach. He came from Union City. On the other track was a green approach. He just flew by on the other side. So I missed him because of this train sitting in the siding.
So he just got to the crossing as I was going across it.
Yeah.
Because I looked both ways and there was nothing.
Yeah, see, he's starting to pick up now. Probably got it cleared. So both of these are heading to Manchester. Look, I'm going on 10 minutes now. This is how long this train's been.
Dang it, I just missed them both at the crossing on Callaway Church Road.
Yeah. This is a freaking long one, dude. My arms are actually starting to get tired. Believe it or not, this one only had like 2 or 3. But the first one we caught, that's it. It had 5. It had 3 CSXs and 2 Union Pacifics. Burlington Northern Railway. It's been a while since I've seen any of those auto rack cars. Automax. Wow, over 11 minutes. Just went over 11 minutes. Wow, what a ride.